Hello, JNN Reviews here, and today I would like to review this eyelash curler. Mine is color, um, it's like a rose gold and is made of stainless steel. It has here more refills, more pads. There's 5 of them inside, and these are the tweezers. And it comes with a satin carrying case, which is very useful and I love for traveling. So this is good for long eyelashes, short eyelashes. It's also good. It doesn't pinch. So what you want to do is you want to do this and hold on for 5 seconds, and then after the 5 seconds you let go. And here are my lashes. So it helps you enhance the beauty of the eyelashes. It's very useful. It's not going to It doesn't break your eyelashes or it doesn't damage them. I hope you check them out because they're great. And thank you for watching my video.